This is another of my gorgeous, gorgeous plants, you know? Because I don't have much space anymore, I need to hang them from the ceiling, which is one day my husband is going to kill me, but it's fine. Okay, this lovely thing is called Hoya Carnosa Compacta. Compacta because it's, you can tell, you know, it's not loose, it's compact. Obviously, I gave the compacta comes from Latin. This gorgeous thing, Hoyas are as well called wax plants. They are semi-succulents, and they keep all of the water in the leaves. It's very interesting, this little wonderful thing. This Hoya Carnosa Compacta lives between 10 and 20 years if you look after her well. How you look after this thing? Basically, again, you don't water them too much. You water them when they feel dry, when you put your finger inside the soil and it's dry. And in this case, it's very easy because you cannot leave the plant in water because it's hanging from the ceiling. But otherwise as well, they don't like to be in contact with water for a long time. They get sick. Imagine us, you know, with the feet cold all the time. It would be exactly the same. Look, I feed them probably once a month, but especially you feed them when they're, again, when it's warm temperature, when it's spring, when it's summer. In winter, I don't give them so much food because it's the dormant time for them, and you don't give them much water as well. When I feed them means fertilizing them, okay? Sorry, I mean, yeah. You fertilize them. I fertilize them with different things, you know. I like to use the orchid fertilizer. Why? I don't know. This is my thing. It works for me. I don't know if it works for other people, but you can use. I mean, in the market there's so many good fertilizers. As long as you use the right, not to put too much, you know. To dilute them, you know, basically. But otherwise, for me, the orchid, I don't know why. When I water my orchids, I water as well my Hoyas with the orchid fertilizer. This plant comes actually from, I don't know if I say, from the south of India. It is, and it's a very semi-rare plant. It's considered like a normal plant. It's considered like a special plant. It's semi-rare. It's not very usual to see the Hoya Carnosa Compacta. And yeah, that's it. And you need to be careful when you prune them. You cannot prune them when you have the growth cluster, because otherwise they will not flower. And they give amazing flowers. I don't know about this one, what color it's going to be, but they give amazing flowers. They're beautiful and they smell like vanilla. Amazing, very sweet and beautiful.